You're faced with many choices when choosing a fuel for your mower or other outdoor power equipment. No matter what you choose, for best performance of an engine, you'll always want to use fresh, clean gasoline. Gasoline can begin to degrade in as little as 30 days, leading to poor engine starting and performance. A minimum of 87 octane containing up to 10% ethanol is recommended. Look before you pump. Gas stations are now selling gasoline with 15 to 85% ethanol. These E15 and E85 fuels are not approved for use in small engines. Also, mixing oil with gasoline or modifying your 4-stroke small engine to run on alternative fuels will damage the fuel system components and will not be covered under warranty. To check if you have a 4-stroke engine, consult your engine operator's manual. At high altitudes over 5,000 feet, a minimum 85 octane gasoline is recommended. To remain emissions compliant, high altitude adjustment is required. Operation without this adjustment will cause decreased performance, increased fuel consumption, and increased emissions. If you're in colder climates, something you should consider is consuming stored gasoline within that season to ensure maintained performance of your engine. To keep gasoline from the pump from degrading, use the official fuel additive of all Briggs & Stratton engines, Stable. We recommend adding Stable 360 Protection ethanol treatment every time you refill your gas can. It works to prevent corrosion caused by moisture in today's ethanol blended fuels. Add 360 protection to your gas can before filling it with fuel to ensure it mixes properly. Use the following ratio for keeping fuel fresh in your gas can. 1/2 ounce per 2.5 gallons to stabilize for up to 12 months. Run your engine for 2 minutes to circulate stabilized fuel throughout the fuel system. This is to ensure the carburetor isn't going to clog or gum up from stale fuel. If gasoline in your engine has not been treated with Stable 360 protection and is over 30 days old, be sure to drain it into an approved container. Once complete, run the engine until it stops from lack of fuel. Then refill the tank with treated fuel and run the engine for 2 minutes to circulate throughout the fuel system. For more information or to find your engine's operator's manual, visit briggsandstratton.com.